All right, guys. This is important for your business and to get more leads. If you're a plumber, car detailer, whatever, this will actually help you book more appointments, and this will actually help you secure more leads, which makes more money. So, I want to show you the demo of this, and I want you to tell me what you think. Leave a comment in the chat. Um, leave a comment. And if you like the video, I appreciate it. But if you want to have your own business, you want to know how to work from home, comment start in the chat area, the little deal where you leave comments. You say start, and I will just want and we'll get you started. If you're a local business anywhere in the U.S., let me know, and we can hook you up. We can help you. So this is a one-man operation, but I have people that'll help me when I need it because they understand exactly what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and start. But this here I made for a plumbing company here in Oklahoma. And the important thing is that I made this, and this is just a demo. This is what is actually going to happen on their website. But I want you to hear the conversation between me and the chatbot. This is how you make websites talk, okay? We're going to chat with voice.
Hi there, how can I help you today?
Hey, do you guys by chance fix leaky pipes?
Absolutely, we handle leaky pipes and can fix them quickly to prevent further damage. Do you have a specific leak you'd like us to look at?
Yes, I have a leak in my kitchen underneath the sink, and I tried
I
fixing
see.
it.
I understand how frustrating that can be. We can definitely help with your kitchen sink leak. Would you like to schedule a service appointment?
Yeah, but what can you do with this? I mean, I'm not saying help me fix it. What I'm saying is, what does your company do?
Great question. We diagnose the leak source, repair or replace damaged pipes, and ensure everything's sealed properly to stop leaks long term. Would you like me to set up a visit?
Yes,
I have openings tomorrow at 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. and Thursday at 11 a.m. Which time works best for you?
11 a.m.
Perfect. Thursday at 11 a.m. it is. May I have your name, please?
My name is Michael
Thanks,
Wade.
Michael. Could you please? Got it, Michael Wade. Could you please provide your phone number to complete the booking?
405-206-1346.
Perfect, Michael Wade. You're all set for 11 a.m. on Thursday. We have your number as 405-206-1346. We're looking forward to seeing you. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, the last name was Lee.
Thanks for the update, Michael Lee. Your appointment is confirmed for 11 a.m. Thursday with that phone number. Anything else I can assist you with?
No, that'll be it. I appreciate it.
Thanks for calling, Michael. Have a great day.
You too. And see, it's that simple. It is that simple for you to be able to have your customer actually talk to your website. It will actually do the work for you. Now, there is a deal where you can live chat, but that means someone has to be manning the computer. This does it without someone manning the computer when they can be doing something else within your office. So, like I said, I wanted to show you guys this. If you have a local business, you're here in the United States, go ahead, comment, and say start. And that will get you started. I appreciate it. You have a wonderful day. Like I said, like, follow, and, leave a comment. I appreciate it. You guys have a wonderful day.